While transforming, unfortunately, na crack ko tong isang side ng wings niya. Ididikit ko na lang ng glue later on. Hindi naman kailangan talagang fina-flap to. So, that's fine. Luma na rin to, kaya yan, unfortunately, nasira siya. And, yeah, almost perfect. Siguro, on a basis of a toy made from the 90s, this is a 10 out of 10.
Yo! Kung naligaw ka sa channel ko, malamang sa malamang ay legit kang 90s kid.
Hello mga 90s! Welcome back sa ating channel. This is Jay again, ang iyong host, isang legit 90s kid. For this week's episode, this is the last toy review that I'll be performing for the Beast Wars series. And what we have right now is DepthCharge. So ito yung lalagyanan niya. Again, this is just an imitation, a class A kumbaga. At ang mga image na kung saan nakalagay yung lalagyan niya is actually from Beast Machines Transformers, but he did not appear at all sa Beast Machines. Sa Beast Wars story siya lumabas. So yung lalagyan niya ito, ayan siya. So yan, nandun pa yung price niya, $259. Yun lang yung price niya nun, pero kinonvert niya sa peso nung binili ko. Sa Clark ko nabili nun. Again, hindi ito original. Yan, Chinese yung nakalagay dito. Yan, sa likod niya, may gina si Silver Bolt, si Cheetor, si Optimus Primal, si Rhinox, si Rattrap. Si Rhinox lang ang hindi naka-transmetal. Fusor, Transmetal 1 silang tatlo. Ito, Fusor. So, yep. Let's open him up. So, ayan si DepthCharge in his robot mode and his accessories. Nagiging baril niya to. And doon sa lalagyan, ito yung tail niya na na-detach kasi sobrang haba. And is two missiles na pwede mo lagay dito. Pwede lang ma-release. Oh, gumagana pa. Ayan. So, ganun siya. Gumagana. Pwede na lang natin dito. Hindi pangit. And also, this somewhat like serves as an observer, an accessory on his robot mode. And also his tail. Hindi ko na pinaka-attach yung tail niya kasi baka masira lang. Pero yan, ito yung attachment niya sa tail. So, just a quick overview of his background, personality, history, and character. Si DepthCharge is not a team kind of guy. He works solo. Kumbaga sa mga online games, he's a mercenary. And he is actually an Imperial Peace Marshall. So, yun ang kumbaga parang position niya. So, Peace Marshall, he is like a soldier. Unlike yung team nila Optimus Primal, nasa loob sila ng Axolom, they are just exploration type of individuals. They are not really battle type of person. So, eto, kaya ang personality nito, parang gusto nito laging away kasi nga, he is an Imperial Peace Marshall. And ang arch-enemy niya is si Protoform X, which nung nalaglag or napunta siya do sa prehistoric Earth, Protoform X became Rampage. Si Rampage yung nagta-transform into the crab form, and Rampage is also a Transmetal. Similar with this one, obviously. Ayan, makikita nyo, metallic finish. DepthCharge ay Transmetal as well. And just like other Transmetal forms, meron silang third form, which is somewhat like a vehicle form. So, sa mga Transmetal, meron Beast Mode, merong Robot Mode, and a Vehicle Mode, which is a fusion of a vehicle and also an animal. So, sayang itong character na to, siya actually sa mga favorite form ko, favorite characters ko rin sa Beast Wars, and favorite toys ko rin, kabataan ko. Malakas sana siya, kaya lang dahil nga masyado siyang focus or obsessed kay Rampage, hindi niya masyadong pinapansin yung other allies niya, which are the Maximals. But technically, he is a Maximal. So as I've said, si DepthCharge has a vehicle form, and his vehicle form is actually similar to his spaceship as well. Siguro, para hindi na masyadong malayo, yung vehicle form niya at mismo si DepthCharge at yung spaceship niya, they share the same form or characteristics. Bago pala natin siya i-transform into his vehicle mode, pakita ko muna ang itsura niya pag nasa manta-ray form siya. So, yan yung top portion, front portion, side, bottom. And, yeah, almost perfect. Siguro, on a basis of a toy made from the 90s, this is a 10 out of 10. Mapapansin ninyo, Transmetal, nakatago lahat ng maliban dito sa kamay, pero that's just a minor thing. Nakatago almost yung mga parts niya. Complex ang transformation nito, obviously. Kaya again, hindi ko muna tin-transform kasi ako mismo nakalimutan ko naman paano i-transform to. Complex type of transformation to. So let's go ahead and transform DepthCharge in his alternate vehicle mode. So alisin muna natin tong tail. Then tail. So ayan ang vehicle mode niya. It's like his spaceship. I-extend mo lang itong wings niya. Pwede mo actually itong ilapit ng konti papunta rito. Nasa inyo, preference nyo kung gusto nyo nakalapit or medyo malayo. It's like a spaceship. Ayan. Ganyan lang kasimple. So let's go ahead and transform him in his robot mode. If I remember correctly, ito. Nakalimutan ko, ito pala yung feet niya. And then, magkaibang kulay. Magkaibang yung kulay. Oxidation process. So ayan, na attach na natin itong hips niya and legs. So pinag-fuse together and then kailangan lang itong i-adjust na maayos. And then ikakabit na natin itong kamay. So ayan, i-push lang natin to, peg lang natin dito papunta rito. And then ayusin lang natin itong fins niya. While transforming, unfortunately, na crack ko itong isang side ng wings niya. Ididikit ko na lang ng glue later on. Hindi naman kailangan talagang pinaflap to, so that's fine as long as it's okay na, as long as the fins are still there, that's fine. Luma na rin to, kaya yan, unfortunately nasira siya. Articulation for posability. Yep, hindi ko na masyado siyang gagalawin, baka may masira pa akong further. Head, ball joint, you can move 360. Shoulders, you could move 180 degrees, 90 degrees. Dito yung biceps niya na move rin 360. Yung elbows niya 90 degrees. Etong side na to wala, hindi na yung move. Hips, ball and socket joint, yep, mamumove mo siya forwards, backwards, sidewards as well, but pero may certain limiting factor dito. Knees, mamumove mo siya 90 degrees, pero dahil sa may extra joint, may extra mobility kang magagawa. Hindi siya ball and socket sa knees, pero dahil nga pwede mo ball and socket yung hips niya, mapopose mo siya to your preferred posing. Feet, this one, may extra siyang part dito that will help you stand this unit. Yan. Overall, I really dig this transformer. Siguro, I think dahil na imitation lang to or class A, etong side na to is hindi masyadong naitatago. Pero sa original version, if I'm not mistaken, may gimmick pa to na merong lalabas dito na parang similar sa gun niya ay lumalabas ito parang discs. So, front, side, top portion, bottom, and then back. Ito, sobrang laki lang nito, pero that's fine. Overall, this is a good transformer to collect nung 90s. And ang nagpalaki lang sa size nito is actually his fins, or his this one, his fins. But kung titingnan niyo, parang kasing laki lang niya si Kadakon, yung size niya, and his legs as well, and his head sculpt. Kasing laki lang ni si Kadakon. So that's it for our last episode of the Beast Machines Transformers series toy review. I hope you've enjoyed this series. Sana napanood na ninyo ang Rise of the Beast Transformers. Brings back memories talaga. Wala ako masyadong pakialam dun sa plot. But in terms of nostalgia, ando yung nostalgia. Lalo na nung tinawag ni Optimus Primal si Rhinox at Cheetor to maximize. It gave me goosebumps. So guys, see you on the next series or episodes that I'll be making. Please do like and subscribe. Feel free to provide any feedback. It's very much appreciated. Ingat sa lahat. Cheers. Bye.